Hello everybody. Today I got 2001 Audi S4 B5 body cluster. I did receive today from my customer, and it came kind of in a beat up box. Somebody did step on the box, I guess, based on the markings, and it came like with this broken piece of front glass. But regardless, anyway, my job is to fix the problem on the center display. As you can see, it is pixelated, quite common for those. And let's get to work. I got a T10 screwdriver. Remove those two screws, put them on the side. Okay. So we got 4 tabs on the top. Clips, whatever you want to call it. Okay, we got 2 of them on the side. 1, 2 you need to pry your screwdriver in to a little hole, and 2 in the bottom. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna mark the position of the temperature here and position our battery here, so it's gonna be easier for me to install it into the correct spot once the repair is complete. And let's remove it from the back housing, and a lot of plastic parts actually is fallen apart from this housing because of this damage I showed you previously. And right now I'm gonna simply rotate them counterclockwise and remove. And in regards to those 4 main gauges, when I'm gonna calibrate those, it's gonna go right on zero mark here, minimum here, and like a little red dot for the fuel gauge. Counterclockwise, pull off. Those are pretty simple to remove. Okay. Now I'm gonna remove the overlays. It's time to release the metal brackets for the little displays. Okay. And now I can carefully remove this white plastic. And in order to remove the right button, I need to squeeze clip here on the bottom, and now I can remove it, I guess. Come on. Okay. Now I need to release the main bracket of the center screen. Okay. Now I'm gonna need the help of the hot air station. I'm gonna apply some flux to help the solder melt and flow. Okay. And I'm gonna carefully remove it. Take your time. Do not pull too hard, otherwise you're risking ripping off the contacts of the circuit board. Set the airflow like about 30% of the max, otherwise you're risking to blow off the components from the circuit board. Okay. So I'm gonna, don't forget to remove this rubber thing and put it back in place. It always comes off with the old display. Alright, so I'm gonna apply some more flux here. And I'm gonna retin the contacts with the fresh solder. I'm gonna take the new display from the package. And I'm gonna tin the contacts. Okay. I'm going to remove the back protective tape, and I'm going to align the contacts here. Make sure to take your time and align them precisely. Okay, secure the display. And one more time. Okay. Now I'm gonna take a contact cleaner. I'm using a CRC QD contact cleaner. I'm gonna put the link in the description below. And I'm gonna gather all the residuals from the flux. However, like I mentioned in my previous videos, that I'm using no clean flux, so technically I can leave it there. I just don't like how it looks like. And now, as a final test, I'm gonna shine with a light from the bottom. Let's check it out. Just to make sure I don't have any bridges what I couldn't see before. Looks like it's all clear. Okay, and I'm gonna turn on the board to make sure it's okay to put it all back together. Up, wrong button. Perfect. Shining bright. And I'm gonna put everything back in a reverse order. Okay. I remove the protective tape. Then break it back in place. Be very careful, align the display, otherwise you're risking to crack the glass. Right, next goes the white plastic with the rest of the displays. All secured. Again, make sure to align those displays in case for some reason they're not aligned. Otherwise you're gonna crack them when you're gonna put those metal brackets in place. I did see those quite a few times coming in damaged. Alright, now the face overlay goes back in place. Okay, I'm gonna put everything back on the rear cover. Okay, now I'm gonna align the battery with the mark I made. This may take a few attempts, always go counterclockwise. Okay, that's perfect. Now temperature. Alright. May take a few attempts to line it precisely. let's turn it on and test to see what kind of adjustments we're gonna need to take. This one is off a little bit. Right.